Hello, this is Raja from Proof Tech. How can I help you?
Hi Raja, I see your Facebook ads and knowing that your company doing waterproofing. Recently heavy rain, my house got roof leaking issue, and can you send someone come and take a look?
We can help you.
Oh, when can come down?
Can you give your house address and phone number? I say to my colleague call you shortly, arrange the appointment with you.
Oh, but how much is it? Is it very expensive?
No, we provide the free quotation for you.
Oh, is it got free warranty?
No, we need to check the site visit first. Then depend on the job scope, we give the warranty. Can you give your phone number and address?
Oh, what's that number I should send?
WhatsApp is my company WhatsApp 61007558. My WhatsApp is 98008102.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.